guys, back with another video. So for today's video, I have another slime package from the mail. And like I said in my last video, this is the same day as I did the video. That Sparkly gives the same things over and over again. I have the same bag again and again. Basically, but one thing new that I already put on my thing, which I love, like I kind of already put on, is this that she gave me new. She gave me this, but like I already put it on. So like a little bit. So like it's right here, and I still have the ring. And see, I'm not lying because I still have this slime, and I'm not lying. I got this in the package. I still have the container because I don't know what my containers are. So like I'm not joking with this slime package. So first we're gonna, well, she gives me the same things over and over again. The stamper. One thing she didn't give me is the necklace. So now we're gonna pick out the she probably forgot to give me the necklace. So one thing I got new is this unicorn poop. If you guys can see the unicorn poop, it's really nice. I guess and I got this slime. I guess it's Spot. Well, these are two slimes I ordered. This kind of feels like the other one, to be honest with you. I ordered kind of the same one but bigger, see if it was different. But here it is. So practically I'm going to try to take this out. Because like it seems really hard to get out. So we're just going to test the bigger size. So like it's this, the bigger size is more clickier. So like totally, it's pretty hard to get everything out, but like 7. I'll give that like 5. Do you give this one? This looks really nice, but like I see like, if you guys can see that, I see like a yellow thing in there, and I think I see a hair right there. That's disgusting. Oh, there's hair. Yeah, you guys see that? That's like in the package. That is nasty. Ew. Ew, that's nasty. So, yeah. Oh my. Guys, this slime is so sticky. Ugh. And they just ran out of activator. This is so horrible. I'm sorry, Isabel, but like, this is, well, but like, it's really sticky. You can kind of play. Well, it's clicky, of course, but it's sticky. I'm definitely giving this slime like a 3, but like, I really like the color and the texture. So, 5. 4.5 points. Well, actually, this container is a little broken. You guys can't see it, but it has like this little cut. If you guys cannot see that, but it's cut for some reason. And like, I feel like she added lotion. I don't know why, but like, I feel like it was a putty, a really nice, ugly putty before. But it's really sticky. You guys have to trust me on this. So basically, I'm going to add some of this slime into it, see if it works. This slime is very, very, very not sticky. I can see whatever it does to it. Oh yeah, there was something yellow in it. It was like a microscopic bead. Well, it kind of did get a little unsticky, but like it's still a little sticky. You guys know what I mean. I don't have any activators, so I'm probably just gonna like play with it and see Well, it kind of isn't sticky if you actually play with it. So that's good news. It was probably like just sticky in there. So now we're gonna actually play and see. So this is wow. That color changed really fast. You guys can definitely see that this is way different slime. This is unicorn pip and that is Nickelodeon. And like there's glitter in this and there's no glitter in that. And there's like only one bead. So I think this is overall, since I fixed it, I had to fix it. I'm taking a point away, so I'm probably going to give her like a 4. And plus I just seen her hair. I'm giving her, I'm sorry, but I don't really like it. I'm giving her like a, well, it's not overall bad, but I'll give her like a 4. She's gonna have a 4. Isabel, these slimes are really bad. I demand a refund. Just kidding. Well, girl, you need to fix your slimes. Just to let you know if you're watching this video right now. It's freaking nasty. I had to fix it, which I had no acne. They were kind of bad. You give me the same things over and over again. I'm rating you like a 1-star slime shot. And I knew Isabel for like 5 years. She used to go to my school, but then she moved. So like, it's like really nasty. That the fact that she was to me bad, but like we're best friends, and like she finally just moved back down to Isabella. Like, I don't want to be friends with you anymore. It's not only the slime, which is like you barely talk to me anymore. You just send me slime with no messages saying hi or anything. You give me trash in my bag. Literally, I'll literally just show you. She gives me trash, chocolate wrappers. Oh, and this thing, I don't know what it goes to. And a toy that is broken. So like, she said, I just texted her right now. She said that I'm gonna go text her. Okay guys, so like I just like texted her. She said that I was gonna get a refund. She's gonna give me another unicorn poop one. But like, I liked that guys, just so you know, this is just a skit. Both of the slime videos are just skits. Like, I do know what Isabel, she did give me slime, which was really bad, but then threw it away. I'm gonna get new slime, so I'll see you guys later. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and do the next thing for you.